everyone, this is Janvi and welcome back to my YouTube channel or welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you know, today we are going to do the question that are based on your exemplar. Okay, the question that are based on your exemplar book of chapter number 1, that is your number system. What is it? That is your number system. The chapter name is number system. Okay, this is your chapter number 1 and we are going to do the question that are based on it, and the question that we are going to do is of the simplify. Okay, so now let us do it and let us start the thing. So this is the thing that we are going to start, but first of all let us see what is the simplify first question. So the first question is root 40 minus 3 root 20 plus 4 root 5. So in this video we are going to do the two questions that are based on your simplify. Okay, so now let us start it. So what is the first question says? We will do it by part. Okay, so the first step that we are going to take it, we are going to simplify it like root 9 into root 5. We are going to do simplify like it. Okay, then after it root 5. Okay, this is root 5, don't be confused. Having some problem in a writing means I am writing with fingers, having some problem by that. So root 9 into root 5 minus 3. Okay, and we are also going to simplify 20. So minus 3. Okay, and minus 3 root 4 into root 5. Okay, then plus 4 root 5. Okay, the next step, in the next step what we will do, we will do this thing. Okay, 3, because if we simplify it, what we are getting 3. Okay, and then into root 5. So into, we will not put into, we will as it is write it as root 5. Then minus, then 3 and 4. Okay, we will also simplify it. Okay, we are having to simplify a little thing that it is possible. 3 into 2 and root 5. Okay, then plus as it is 4 root 5. Next step, it should be, our next step will be 3. We are going to do this. Are you seeing this? Okay, we are going to do the solution for this over here. So what is the solution that we get? It is 3 minus 6 plus 4. If you ask that where we get it, so first of all what we are going to do, we are taking a thing as a common, that is 3. Okay, then we take it as 3 as a common, then 3 2s are 6. Okay, and then if we are going to minus it, so we are getting 2, so we will get it as 4. Okay, 2 minus 3, it is 2, 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. So this we are getting, and after it what we will write it as root 5 as it is. Okay, root 5, not 3, let me write it again. We will write it as root 5, and then what we will write, we will write the answer, that should be root 5. So this is your answer. So I hope by this you are clear, by this question fully fine clear. If any doubt, you will write it in the comment section, don't forget to write it. So let's, now we are going to come on the next question. It is your last question for it. Okay, in the next video we will do some more questions. So this is our question. So first of all we will write first steps, what we are going to do. So the first step is simplify. We know we have to simplify it. It is also getting simplified and it is also getting simplified. So 24, let us try it. 4 into 5, then 8 as a denominator, plus root 9 into 6 by 9. The next step, it is 2 root 6 by 8 plus 3 root 6 by 9. Should I go on next page or should I do in next? Let me go on next page, okay? It will be clear. Then over here we will write it as root 6, okay, plus root 6 by 4 plus root 6 root 6 by root 3. If you ask, ma'am, in the previous slide you have told us that there are 8 and 9, then how it get converted into 4 and 3? How it is converted? Very simple. It's converted because of we have cut 8 and 9. 4 2 4s and 2 3s means 4 2s and 3 3s we have cut it. Okay, easy peasy, not having any doubt. So by this we have cut it, and then what we are going to do, what we are taking our next step, the next step is 6. Then we are going to take LCM for it. 3 plus 4 plus 3, this, and then let me do it over here. Root 6 by LCM we have take, so it is taking 3 by 4 plus 12. Okay, and then what we will get it as 7 root 6 by 12. Okay, easy question or not? Say it is easy or not? Very easy, like it's really easy peasy for you. If you know the hints, you always know the answer. Really, like, see how easy question it is. It's not that much difficult that you are thinking. Okay, so now let's go. So by this we have ended our exercise. If you want, we can do one more question. I have one more question for you. Let us do it. Okay, it is also simple. Okay, we will do it in the 4 step only. Okay, oh no, yeah, now first of all we have to rub all these things. Okay, but we having some questions over here. Okay, now let us do it in the next slides. Let me do it over here. Yeah, okay, so now let me write your question only. So what is the third question? That is 4 root 12 into 7 root 6. This is your third question. Okay, because in the previous slide you are able to see this is your third question, but I have written it. Okay, if I rub it you will forget how will you revise it. So this is your same question. Okay, but having a problem in it, and that having a problem in it, and that problem it we don't have to write it as like this. What we have to write it, this is fourth root and seventh root. Okay, did you know what is root? Did you know root? We are talking about the root. Okay, what say, should I do this question or should I take you off in next question? Because let me rub it. Okay, I will rub it all. Okay, then I will do for you. Let me take a click of it. Take a click of it. Okay, now we can rub it. Yeah, now over here this is a third question, that is 12th root. Okay, and it is a fourth. Let's do it. Okay, very easy questions. It is also an easy question for you, like a halwa. Okay, very easy question. So also we are going to simplify it. So 4, okay, into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, by this we get 4 12. Then 2 into 3. Then the next step we will take, the next step is 8 root 3 into 7 root 2 into root 3. Then what we will do, we will write it as 24 into 7 root 2 into, the answer that came is 1 68 root 2. Check your answer quickly. By getting multiplied 24 and 7, if we are getting 168, are we getting it? Write it. Are we getting the same answer? Are we getting it? Okay, now let me simplify. Let me tell you how we get the answer. First of all, we have done this. Okay, so if you ask them by this, if we are multiplying 2 into 2, 2 into 2 and 2 to 3, when we are going to multiply, we are getting 12. So why we have written 7? It is wrong. No, it is not wrong, child. We can't simplify this. Okay, so I have put this 7 over here, and I have simplified 6 over here. Okay, 2 into 3, we have done it like 6. Okay, then what we will do, 4 to the 8. Okay, carrying out of 6, 3, then 7 over here. Okay, and then 2 we have pasted over here. Then 8 3 is 24, 7 over here and root 2 over here. Okay, by getting this, the answer, if we are going to do multiply, if we are getting multiplying it, we are getting 10. This question we are getting it, but you have to check if my answer also can be wrong. Okay, it's depend on you if you are doing right it or not. Okay, so what is the answer that we are getting it? The answer is 168 root 2. We are getting this answer. Okay, very easy question. And how we are getting is 24 into 7 root 2. When we are multiplying this, we are getting this answer. Okay, and if you want, if I write one more thing, because I have rub it, so 8 root 3 into 7 root 2 into root 3. When we are getting to solve this, we are getting this, and after getting this, we are getting this. And if you want, if I write the first thing also, we are having, only have to simplify it as 2 into 2 into 3 into 7, and then root 2 into 3. Okay, so this is very simple. Okay, so I hope by this you have completed and you also understand it, because it's really easy peasy for you. It's not that much difficult that you are thinking. Also done this question. Having any doubt? Did you all have having any doubt? So should I get exit from over here? Should I? Okay, so by this we have done it. Okay, and easy peasy questions for you. So if you want, in the next video I will come with 2 more questions. Okay, so this way we have finished our exercise, not exercise, we have finished the questions of simplify. Okay, but how many questions we have finished? We are only finished the 3 questions. I also have so many questions for you. Okay, and in the next video we will do 2 more questions. So let me show you that 2 questions for you. Okay, so this is your 4th question, and let me show you our 5th question. So this is your 5th question that we are going to found it. Okay, so these 2 questions we are going to do it. Okay, don't forget. If you want, you can do it. In the next we will discuss it. See it. If you want, you can do it. Take a